welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Jay, as always. So today, guess what day is it? It is installation day. Yes, I will be showing you guys how to install a racing steering wheel on your 350Z. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Stay tuned for future uploads, but it's finally here. I'm excited. It's finally going on the Z. So right now, I'm on my way to my friend's house. We're gonna be waiting for my other friend named Kevin. We will go catch some breakfast before we do all this installation. I'm excited, but let's get this video started. I hope you guys enjoy it, and the video starts now. Right before the installation video, gotta get some breakfast first. Gotta get some energy. Right here with my boys, McDonald's. You ready, Mikey? Let's do this. Alright guys, so for step number one, you gotta disconnect the battery. You don't want the horn to go off on you because, yeah, it's kind of embarrassing. Everybody's just looking at you. Everybody's gonna hate you, people around you. So step one. All right guys, so like I said, disconnect your battery so your horn should not go off on you anymore. So for the next step, it's time to unbolt and remove the airbag. Alright guys, so we will be doing a before and after. Look, I have a little collection right here. So for the next step, the bolt should be right here. Time to unbolt it in order for you to remove the airbag. Now let's get to it. For the next step, you gotta remove this bolt right here in the middle so you can remove the steering wheel. Alright, so for the next step, all you gotta do is pull it off. So for now, we'll be removing this and replacing it with a new one. If you got the NRG kit, it should come with it. Alright, so now you plug in the airbag resistors into the slots. Your NRG kit should come with it, so just plug them into both. Just trying to make it fit. That's what she said. Alright, so now grab the vacuum plate to your quick release and make sure to screw it back on. The top screw should have a dot just like your shore hub. Make sure to match it. So once you guys tighten up the little screws, it's time to put the quick release on. Snap it in there, twist it, there you go. Make sure it's tight.
Hey, nice.
So for the next step comes the big bad boy. Hold there, quick, Mikey. Steering wheel. Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, perfect, bro.
Alright, so for now, all you have to do is connect the wires from the steering wheel to the quick release. And from there, you just gotta screw it back on and you should be set. After this, it's time to plug in the battery. Just pray to God that the horn doesn't go off. Because if it does, you gotta go all the way back. You gotta fix the wiring again. If not, unplug the horn fuse. So
we're gonna have to go hornless, bro.
Hornless? Fuck it. I'm already airbagless, so might as well, right?
Fuck
Go both.
Fuck the airbag. You die? Fuck it. You die.
Fuck it. I die.
Ooh, fuck.
Moment of truth.
Fuck.
Yeah, that's how you know we failed. That's a sign. Time to go hornless. So let's remove the horn fuse. We had no other option. I was not about to go all the way back, do the rewiring. So I'm gonna be hornless from now on. Just remove the fuse and it should be good. Ta-da. This is where magic happens, baby. We fucking did it. We fucking did it. We did it. This is my setup for now. I think it's not right, but so when you guys wanna, you know, remove it, I gotta do. There you go. This how it's done. Alright guys, so this video has come to an end. If you guys stood to the end, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. My setup, I really do love it. I was trying to make this video as short as possible, and hopefully it works. I did lose some footage, so it kind of sucks, but I try to work with whatever I had, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, as always, remember, stay positive, stay focused, leave all that negativity behind, do you, be you, and remember, everything is possible. Quick shout out to my boy Mikey and Kevin for helping me install this steering wheel. Much love to you guys, and once again, to all you guys viewing, thank you guys so much for the support. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. As always, it's your boy Jay. I'll see you guys until next time. Peace.